baby pigeons in the pigeon loft. Not so new. Maybe about 5 days. Mama was just feeding them. And there's a young one who's just getting ready to, not quite on his own, but getting there. And there's a little baby pigeon, little baby Portuguese tumbler. And we see some moms in the nest. The curly ones are frillbacks. Hi, Mama. She's a little worried because her babies are right here. Hi, darling. Little red and a little black. Hi. Yeah. Don't mind the pigeon coop. Pigeons are pretty messy. Oh, look at Dad's with the babies now. He's trying to get them to feed. The babies are trying to get Dad to feed them. Pigeons, if you didn't know, produce for the first week or so actual pigeon milk in their crop. Oh, what a good dad. Hi, you guys. I know you're curious. You want to see what's going on. I'm going to shut the door because Mom and Dad are a little nervous with their babies there. Hope you enjoyed the pigeons.